Alright guys, here's the 2010 Panini Epic, box number 25. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Chad Ochocinco, Rashawn Mendenhall, Aaron Rodgers, Chad Henne, Decoy, Matthew Stafford, Ray Rice, and Damian Thomason, and Felix Jones. Julius Jones, Reggie Wayne, Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Decoy, Rush Hour of Matt Forte, not numbered, Josh Cribbs, Darren Sproles, and Ryan Grant. Wes Walker, Jay Cutler, Kevin Cobb, Kyle Orton. First hit is going to be Chris Johnson jersey card, highlight zone, and that is numbered 24 out of 200. And the Tennessee Titans is going to go to Jed Kerr. There you go. Next card. Tony Romo Green Moments card, not numbered. Vincent Jackson, Matt Schaub, and Kenny Britt. Michael Crabtree, Dallas Clark, Chris Cooley, Sidney Rice, and the next hit is going to be Dallas Clark, Indianapolis Colts, numbered 263 out of 299. The jersey card. Jersey right here. And that's going to be going to New York Boykin. Or NY Boykin. There we go. Alright. Next card is a rookie card of LeGarrette Blount. Not numbered. Kellen Winslow Jr., Chad Henne, and Big Ben. Jason Campbell, Tony Romo, Vernon Davis, Peyton Manning. Another hit. All on top so far. Next hit is Emmanuel Sanders auto. It's on the field, right in the middle. And that's numbered 57 out of 210. And the Steelers is going to M. Garmin. There you go. Chris Cook, rookie card. Jason Witten. Frank Gore. And Steve Slayton. Matt Moore. Jason Campbell, Tony Romo, and the fourth hit, I don't know if, might be more, they're all on top. Jeremy Williams, rookie card, is on the Chargers. Yeah, and that is numbered 357 of 499. And San Diego Chargers is going to go to Bothead. Alright. Next card, Maurice Jones-Drew, not numbered. Matthew Stafford, James Laurinaitis, and Dwayne Bowe. Beanie Wells, Matt Forte, LaShawn McCoy, Calvin Johnson Jr., Decoy, Navarre Bowman, Vince Young, Brett Favre, and D'Angelo Williams. Matt Hasselbeck, David Gerard, Matt Leinart, Marcus Clauston, Decoy, Jerome Murphy, Andre Johnson, Chris Johnson, and Ronnie Brown. Carson Palmer, Joseph Adaya, Clinton Portis, Mike Iopati, Decoy, Anthony Davis, Marshawn Lynch, Nate Burleson, and Steven Jackson. Donnie Avery, Mike Sims Walker, Michael Turner, Brandon Jacobs, Decoy, a rush hour of Joseph Adaya, Darren McFadden, Miles Austin, and Brandon Marshall. Another Joseph Adaya, Clinton Portis, Randy Moss, Steve Smith. I don't know if you've seen that, Steve Smith. Decoy, Freddie Barnes, Big Ben, Matthew Stafford, and James Laurinaitis. Randy Moss, Steve Smith, Lewis Murphy, Eddie Royal, Decoy, Tony Romo season, it's like a bronze color, Jamal Charles, Anquan Bolden, and Steve Smith. TJ Houshmandzadeh, Maurice Jones-Drew, Matt Ryan, Pierre Thomas, Decoy, rookie card of David Butler, Adrian Peterson, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Sean Green. Lewis Murphy, Eddie Rawl, Julius Jones, rookie card of Charles Scott, that's numbered 56 out of 100. Decoy, highlight zone of Phillip Rivers, not numbered. Dwayne Bowe, Roddy White, and Eli Manning. Cedric Benson, Hines Ward, Donovan McNabb, Jared Allen Blackhawks, not numbered. Decoy. Ed Dixon out of 25 out of 50. Cadillac Williams, Matt Castle, and Joey Flacco. Reggie Wayne, Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Michael Crabtree, Decoy, Cedric Benson, Jake Delhomme, Antonio Gates, and Donald Driver. Dallas Clark, Chris Cooley, Sidney Rice, Matt Moore, decoy. Kyle Williams, rookie card. Josh Freeman, Lee Evans, and Mark Sanchez. Tom Brady, Devin Hester, Deshaun Jackson, Nushan Marino, and we did get a fifth hit. So, fifth hit is going to be Troy Polamalu, jersey card, numbered, not numbered. Alright. And that's also going to be going to M. Garmin. There you go. Extra hit. Shea Hodge, Braylon Edwards, Mohamed Massaku, and Phillip Rivers. Alright guys, that's it for this box. Thursday, this Epix, Thursday night, the Epix is going to be ending, and Sunday and Tuesday are for the limited. If you want to get on that, that's great. Appreciate it guys, thanks.